So please tell me how you actually leave the door open. Now so now first of all, and with the most obvious reason, everyone makes mistakes, and well, I just forgot it. So just like stop scold so just like stop scolding me. That's not cool, and I'm gonna do my homework. Please and get the please get out of my room. Just like go to your room and call dad or something. Oh, Missy. If we still had electricity, just so you know, that would have unplugged your Wi-Fi control from the house. And well, if I wasn't so sick, and well, if I wasn't so sick, and I would like to put you in uh what's it called? Oh, you'll be grounded. Well, I guess not today. You're lucky. Anyways, where is your dad, Zach? Gosh, I guess I'll just call him through my computer since I lost my phone. Gosh. And calling Zach. Doot 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 doot. Hi, honey. How are you? Zach, when the hell would you actually come home? Because your daughter Michaela is acting like a spoiled brat. Well, I'm actually freezing out here, and plus traffic is crazy. Well, guess what? I come home early because your little precious daughter left the door open and we're stuck on floor 2. Oh, well, I mean, everyone one makes shut up. No one's supposed to make mistakes. Now come home early. Gosh, you know what? I guess I'll just go and find some shelters online. Oh, by using data I have on my laptop. Oh, oh, what's this? Super Slave Vacation Pool Villa, aka shelter for snowstorms? Let's go there. Let's go there. Sounds good. It's okay. Okay, I'll just call them and say, hello, you have contacted Super Slave Vacation Pool Villa Places. For a shelter, please press 1. Okay? Thank you. We will connect you with a live agent. Please wait. Dun 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 dun. Hello. Welcome to Super Slave Vacation Pool Villa, and this is Twyla talking. How can I help you? Hello. Can I get in a vacation pool room or shelter for free? Okay. Okay, that will be $20. Cash or card? Oh, card, please. Since we're paying online. Okay. And please contact us with your bank info. It's okay. Contact them. Great, we're all set. Let's just go to her room. Michaela, guess what? What do you want now? I just booked as a 5-star villa experience, aka a shelter. Great, sounds so beautiful, I guess. Oh, you stop acting like a brat right now. Pack your bags. It's okay. Since mom said that I have to pack my bags, so pack my bags with me. That just not. I put my things inside. Y'all, English is not my first language, so please respect. Oh my gosh. So I guess I'll just put my notebook, my sunglasses, and my pen, and that just I guess I'll just go like this, but I'll wear this if I have to. Yes, just wear that to keep me warm. It's okay. So I have packed mine and his bag. He will wear this, and I will wear this outside. So yeah. Whoa, I was not. Whoa, finally. It's okay, well. It's okay, well. It's happy now. It's okay, I guess I'll just go downstairs with Twyla now. Twyla! Coming. Okay, Twyla. Let's go down. Okay. And anyways, y'all, that is uh part 2 done. I think part 3 will be the last part. So bye, y'all. Love y'all. And I think that I might get a intro and outro soon. Bye, guys.